We started the Rock Chalk song about, I don't know, maybe 3 months ago or so, just for fun. He heard it on TV. He likes certain words, and he likes noises, so Rock Chalk is the kind of thing that sort of got him. And then the KU gets him too. He just likes certain words. A bird like Buddy, it's like having a dog or a cat. It's a pet. Oh no, oh no. It is amazing how smart parrots are, actually, with such a little tiny brain to be able to really do and say what they say. You know, I think I have a little jayhawk here, and I think Buddy looks a little like him. He's got a little bit of color on him. He's shaped not all that dissimilarly, but really the jayhawk isn't like any other bird. Rock,